Hey girls, you seen that new Expense video? Oh my god, yes, he is so cute. I don't even know what he's saying. I just like to watch his lips move. I like everything about the dude. He's so righteous. I love to make out with him for hours and hours and, well, you know. Let me guess. Hours? Anyway, he's playing at the Amway this Friday, girls. And guess who bought 3 front row tickets? Yes, yours truly. Moi. You didn't. I did. I most certainly did. Oh my god, you did. Oh my god, I'm gonna faint. Yes, I need an ambulance really quick to 206 South Cimarron Boulevard. Gee, if she's not okay, we might have to find somebody to replace her to go to the concert with us. No, it's fine. It's okay. I just got excited a little bit. I'll be just fine. Yay, she's okay, and we're going to see Expense on Friday. I can't wait. Yeah. Hey, you want to dance to one of the songs? I got one on my cell phone. Here, I'll play it.
Have you ever heard of me?